the tide.
Happy birthday, Coah. May you grow up to be kind, God-fearing, and talented.
Nagbababahin pa talaga natin yung mga pangalusan. Thank the Lord, kahit Him always. Kung sa'yo mga ganahan ka ng buhay, naaramin ka rin suporta.
Happy birthday, Coah! Happy birthday, Coah! We love you!
I will be here, don't you cry, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore.
Thank you so much for being here. Okay lang, masulti, pero thank you because you guys could have been somewhere else, but you chose to be here with us tonight.
They say
Happy birthday,
why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forever.
Everybody was good enough on our side.
Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other to have and to hold. They'll see in time. I know when destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time. I know. Show them together, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart, no matter what they say. You'll be here in my heart, always.
Thank you guys so much for being here. We really invited you guys kay Kapag Party lang sa